Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by auditing current consumption so you know where leaks are. Open your carrier portal and review the last 3 billing cycles to establish a baseline. Once done, enable your phone's native data tracker or install a light monitoring app and link each device. Make sure to set alerts at 50, 75, and 90% of your cap to get early warnings. This prevents surprises and gives you time to throttle or switch networks when needed. Now you reduce ongoing usage by changing behavior and settings. Start by closing apps that sync in background and force background data off for heavy apps. Then make streaming and downloads Wi-Fi first. Lower video quality to 480p or SD, compress photos before sending, and turn off autoplay. Additionally, use a browser or VPN that offers data compression to shrink transferred bytes. These steps cut sustained consumption, and to finish, set a weekly review habit so you adjust allocations per device and detect trends. You should reassign budgets where one device consistently overshoots. Once comfortable, schedule large transfers or updates during Wi-Fi or off-peak times, and use offline modes for maps and media. If you see sudden spikes, immediately identify the culprit app in the tracker, revoke background permissions, and force stop it. This single troubleshooting tip usually halts runaway usage and restores predictable consumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.